Hi everyone, welcome to my home gym. This is workout number 24, our final workout of this challenge. And in this workout, we focus on legs, arms, and core. In circuit number 1, our first exercise is a single dumbbell front squat, and I'll be using the GR8FLEX 1090 dumbbell at 60 pounds. Our second exercise is a jackknife to push-up, one of my favorite exercises as it promotes a full body activation and coordination. In our second circuit, our first exercise is a seated glute press, followed by seated curls. So this is our final workout, and reflecting back to workout number 1, I've seen lots of progress here, and it'll all be captured in a final video following this one to conclude this challenge. I appreciate all the support during this challenge, and let's make sure that we finish this last workout. In this workout, you'll find 2 circuits with 2 exercises per circuit, and we're doing 12 reps per exercise. We'll be taking a 30-second break between sets, and I'll provide the timer. Now I'll put timestamps in the description so you can jump around to each set as needed, but I highly recommend you just go from start to finish. Let's finish this challenge strong. Be sure and warm up. Have a good workout. Let's go. So in circuit number 1, our first exercise, we have the single dumbbell front squat, and I'm up to 60 pounds with my GR8FLEX 1090 dumbbell. Now if you don't have dumbbells, get creative. Just carry something with weight, whether it's water bottles, a piece of furniture, your pet. If you don't have dumbbells, I'd like to hear what you all use to improvise for this exercise. So we're fixing to jump into the jackknife to push-ups. And as I mentioned in the introduction, this is one of my favorite exercises. So ultimately, it increases functional strength and mobility in a full body activation. It also promotes core activation, coordination, and joint stability. A cool thing about doing this exercise on a sliding bench is that you can increase resistance with a resistance band or elevating the tower. Now, when you use a resistance band for this exercise, you're actually working your shoulders a little bit more than your core. So when the bands are activated, the glide board's pulling your body forward, so you're using your shoulders and your core to stabilize your body. So for this workout, to increase resistance, at the completion of each set, I raise the tower in elevation 1 level per set. So for circuit number 2, our first exercise is the single glute press, and I'm utilizing the resistance bands for this exercise. So you want to keep your body centered on the glide board. I've learned that when I lean too far to the side, to any side, I run the risk of potentially derailing the glide board. So the key is to squat as low as you can and fully extending to complete each rep. Jumping right into the seated curls, and I'm keeping the same resistance as the single glute press. I'm keeping my back straight, isolating the biceps, minimal movement in the shoulders, and fully extending and pulling all the way to the top to complete each rep. Alright everyone, that's the end of workout number 24, our final workout of this challenge. I hope you all finished strong and completed this full workout. I really enjoyed this challenge and appreciate everyone that's tagged along with me going back to workout number 1. All the support is much appreciated. You know, the goal for this challenge was to see if this specific type of equipment can produce results. But if any of these videos inspired anyone to get back on their glide board and start working out again, then I definitely feel that this challenge was worth doing. So following this video, I'll put together a detailed progress video to conclude this challenge and let you all know the results. Let me know how this workout went in the comment section. I'd love to hear some feedback. We'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless.